Today we're going to crochet this cute little Christmas mitten. Prepare yarn in these two colors. A 2.5mm crochet hook. We'll start by crocheting the thumb part first. Hold the yarn and make a magic ring. Insert the hook through the ring. Pull up a loop. Chain 1. Round 1, 5 single crochets. 1. Place a stitch marker in the first single crochet. 2. Five single crochets completed. Place the marker. Pull the ring tight. Slip stitches to the first stitch. Chain 1. Round 2, 5 single crochets. Insert the hook into the slip stitch space. 1. Place the marker. 2. Done. Slip stitches to the first stitch. Pull the yarn a little longer. Turn it inside out. Pull the ring tight again. Chain stitches. Adjust and shape it. The thumb is finished. Now let's start the main body of the mittens. Make a magic ring. Insert the hook through the ring and pull up a loop. Chain 1. Round 1, 6 single crochets. 1. Place a stitch marker. 2. Done. Place the marker. Pull the ring tight. Slip stitch to the first stitch to join. Chain 1. Round 2. Insert into the slip stitch space. 6 increases 2 single crochets in each stitch. 1. Two. Six increases completed. Slip stitches to the first stitch. Chain 1. Rounds 3 to 5 are the same. All 12 single crochets. Insert into the slip stitch space. 1. Place the marker. 2. 3. Round 5 completed. Place the marker. Slip stitch to the first stitch to join. Chain 1. Round 6, 5 single crochets. 1. Place the marker. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 single crochet decreased. Insert into the outer loop only. Front loop. Four single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. Attach the thumb. Insert into the slip stitch space. 2 single crochets into the thumb stitches. 1, next stitch. 2, 1 single crochet decreased. Pay attention to where you insert the hook. One single crochet. Thumbs joined completely. Slip stitch to the first stitch to join. Chain 1. Round 7. 4 single crochets. 1. Place the marker. 2, 3, 4. 1 decreases using outer loops. First set done, there will be 2 sets in total. Done. 2 single crochets. 1, 'Done. Place the marker. Slip stitches to the first stitch. Chain 1. Round 8. 12 single crochets. 1, 2, 3. 12 stitches completed. Change color. Pay attention to the insertion point. Pull through the red yarn. Slip stitches to the first stitch. Chain stitches. Rounds 9 through 12 are the same. All 12 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 12 completed. Slip stitches to the first stitch. Chain stitches. Shape it. Sewing on a small snowflake. Did you learn it? Feel free to share and subscribe. Looking forward to seeing your finished work.